Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 5-tier steel corner shelf. I've already been using this for a month now, so let's get into it. And I'm going to show you the features that it has, how well it's made, and I'll give my overall feedback towards the end. So you can see that it's 5 tiers. This stands about 6 feet tall. I'm like 5'10". So it's pretty tall. You can see that it's made out of steel material, and then it has a laminate wood shelves. It's a heavy duty steel frame. You can fit a lot of things on here. You can see right there. It's very easy to put together and is made very well. This is the light gray color. So it's very modern and it fits a lot of room decors nicely. And you could put a lot of different things in here to make it look nice and stylish. So it makes the corner of your rooms nice and stylish. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great 5-tier corner shelf. I like how well it's made and how easy it is to put together. I like the color of the shelves, and I also like how you're able to set this up in different ways how you want it. So this is a great product.